sixth graders. This is a lesson for Thursday, April 2nd, and we are doing another review lesson, lesson 65. Now again, remember the review lessons that we're doing are ones that I've noticed that you need some extra work and some extra practice on. And multiplying mixed numbers is a big one that I have noticed that we need some help on. So let's take a look at some of our problems here. Let's take a look at the first example. All right, for the first example, we have 2 2/3 times 4. So remember that when we need to multiply, we need to take our mixed number and we need to turn it into an improper fraction. So remember, we multiply our mixed number times our denominator and add that number to our numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. Add that to 2, and then we get 8 over 3, or 8/3. Continue that with multiplying times 4 over 1, and we have our problem set up. Follow through with our multiplication. 8 times 4 equals 32. 3 times 1 is, of course, 3. And then we take our multiplication and we turn this improper fraction into another mixed number. So we can divide 32 by 3, and 3 goes into 3. For our second example, we have 2 1/2 times 1 1/3. Now, what I'm still seeing a lot of in your homework is that rather than turning our mixed numbers into improper fractions, you are multiplying them as is. You're multiplying the whole numbers together, and then you're multiplying your fractions together. So I'm getting things like 2 times 1 equals 2, and then 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. So then you're giving me a final answer of 2 1/6. Remember, this is not our procedure. Instead, we need to take those mixed numbers, turn them to improper fractions. So 2 1/2 is going to give us the improper fraction of 5 over 2. 1 1/3 is going to give us the improper fraction of 4/3. Now from here, remember that we can use cancellation. So 4 and 2 can cancel each other out. 2 will become 1 and 4 will become 2. Now we have 5 times 2, which gives us 10, and 1 times 3, which gives us 3. So our answer is 10 over 3. Turn that from our improper fraction back to our mixed number. 3 goes into 10 3 times to multiply into 9. So that gives us 3, and then 1 is our remainder between 10 and 9. So 3 1/3 is our final answer, and that's a big difference from 2 1/6. So make sure that we are following the proper procedure for multiplying our mixed numbers. We cannot multiply them in mixed number form. They must be turned to the improper fraction first and then multiplied in order to get our final answer.